Welcome back to Gyantarang. Today we are traveling to a land of misty hills, aromatic coffee and valiant hearts. Yes, you guessed it, we are exploring Coorg, the third part of Glimpses of India from your class 10 English textbook. Location and description. Coorg or Kodagu is the smallest district of Karnataka located halfway between Mysore and Mangalore. This picturesque land is covered with lush evergreen rainforests and rolling hills. It experiences heavy rainfall during monsoon, but the best time to visit is between September and March, when the weather is perfect and the air feels refreshing. Coorg is famous for its coffee plantation and aromatic spices. The air here is filled with the strong, refreshing scent of coffee. Mangalore's amidst coffee estate and the soothing climate make Coorg a heaven for nature lovers. The people of Coorg. Now let's talk about the real pride of Coorg, its people. The Coorgis are known to be a proud race of martial men and beautiful women with strong tradition and warm hospitality. They are fiercely independent and their traditions, especially related to marriage and religion, are quite distinct from the mainstream Indian culture. Interestingly, the Coorgis are believed to have descended from either the Greeks or the Arabs. These beliefs come from their unique customs and attire. The men wear a long black coat with an embroidered vest belt called Kufia, much like the Arabic Kufia. Coorg Regiment and Bravery. The Coorg Regiment is one of the most decorated regiment of the Indian Army, a testimony to their bravery. Even General Cariappa, the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army, was a Coorgi. Coorgis are also the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. Rich biodiversity and Kaveri River. Coorg is not just about people, it's a treasure trove of flora and fauna. The river Kaveri, sacred to many, originates here, surrounded by vibrant greenery and abundant wildlife. Adventure and tourism. Love adventure? Coorg is perfect for you. Tourists can enjoy river rafting, canoeing, rock climbing, mountain hiking and more. A walk to Brahmagiri's hills gives stunning panoramic view, and don't miss the 64-acre island of Nisargdham and the largest Tibetan Buddhist settlement in Belkuppe. The theme of this section is Coorg's cultural richness, scenic beauty and the proud heritage of its people. The title Coorg is perfect. It captures every element, land, legacy and life, and the message that even while staying rooted in one's tradition, it's possible to be modern, patriotic and globally admired. Here are 3 quick tips before your exam. Remember the Greek-Arab connection for origins. Don't forget General Cariappa and the Coorg Regiment. Note the natural and adventure aspect, River Kaveri, spices, coffee and sports. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Gyantarang.